They will break you if you break these rules. I am warning you, violate these 5 unwritten gym rules and the gym gods will humble you. First rule, always rack your weights. No one likes playing detective trying to guess your PRs. If you're loaded up the plates, you unload them. Leaving weights behind is pure disrespect for the next lifter. Be strong and clean. Rule number 2. Clean your bench or spot. That puddle of sweat you left? Not impressive. Just gross. A quick wipe goes a long way. Respect hygiene, respect others. Rule number 3. Respect people's space. Don't block the mirror. Some lifters are checking their form, not their ego. Don't walk over a barbell. It's not a speed bump. Don't hover or rush people between sets. The rule? If you wouldn't like it done to you, don't do it. Rule number 4. Be kind. Share the equipment. If someone asks to work in with you and there is no real reason to say no, don't be a machine hog. Sometimes there is only one of those cable stations and the line for you. Sharing is lifting karma. Rule number 5. Lift with love, not ego. People come to the gym to become stronger, healthier and better, not to feel judged or inferior. You're not here to impress, you're here to improve, learn, train smart, train hard, and most importantly, enjoy the grind. Hit like, share this to keep the gym safe for lifters everywhere. Stay strong, see you next workout.